Hey, good morning. Welcome to Waves World. Got up this morning. I'm suffering from the flu, so I said, let me, try to do some cardio, sweat it out, and everything. Got 10 days before I make my journey to Ghana, and it's been, I've been looking forward to it, but had some hiccups, and on April 18th, I went ahead and sent my application for my visa, for multi visa. And let me tell you, when you're sending your visa for a visa application in Washington, D.C. or New York, just do it 2 months in advance. I did it a month. They said even 2 weeks before your departure, but it ended up poor customer service at the Washington, D.C. area, trying to get friends to help me so that, they can expedite my U.S. passport and my visa. So make sure you fill out your forms properly. Make sure you indicate where you're going, where you're staying, all the necessary information that they need when you're going to Ghana, which I did, but I don't know what is going on there in the Washington office. The customer service is terrible, and no one to answers the phone. The only operator there, she cannot even leave a note in the system to indicate that I'm inquiring about my visa. So I am just leaving it to the Creator and, trying to get to Ghana to make some connections, to start my own business, to do certain things, look into land and different things. But this is my journey today, so I'm gonna keep you posted. I know I look a hot mess. Oh my God. But this is Waves World. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we're going to take you as you follow me on my journey. Oh yes. So peace, love, light, give thanks to the Most High and the ancestors. Ta-ta.